Namaste, this is Dietitian Purva Singh and welcome to Yes to Health. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and you are staying healthy and safe in your house. So today I've come with something very popular topic which everybody is always talking about, that how to lose weight. I get many, most of my clients, they come only for losing weight. They say, okay, give me diet plan, I just want to lose weight in 1 or 2 months. Some of them come to yoga, they don't want diet plan, they say, okay, just I want to do yoga and I'll lose weight. So both the things, are like either you are doing only yoga, only you want, right? Some of them are there who understands that it's diet and yoga both, which has to be, in sync in order to lose weight. So we have to understand everything counts, when it comes to good health, not just one thing or two things. So I always tell my clients to, it's all your lifestyle, entire 24 hours, what you do, that helps a lot. So let's talk about weight loss tips. So now this video is not just a diet plan. So if you want just diet plan, this video is not for you. If you want just yoga tips, this video is not for you. So this video is about all your few tips which can help you lose weight, which I have applied in my life, and you can also, I want to share with you, you can also apply in your life. So the first is discipline. You have to be very disciplined when it comes to, health. How you can be disciplined? You have to, firstly, I'll tell you a few steps. Just set one routine, okay? Make a plan. You will get up in the morning and you will have this, either you have tea or whatever, you have nibu pani, then you will have this, then you will have a workout, and then you will have some breakfast, okay? So this plan, now you have to be in this routine every day. This is how you will achieve success and achieve health. So make a routine and just follow it, okay? Brutally follow it, okay? You cannot change this routine, because see, what I have I have made a discipline of not eating grains till the time I have my workout. It may be 30 minutes, it may be 20 minutes, but not before workout. So this really helps me that I eat fruits and vegetables before breakfast, before my workout, but after workout I had proper either breakfast, and if I'm late I have early lunch. So this you can do, never break it. If you have made a plan, if it is there that you have made a routine that you will have fruits in the evening, so that time you cannot skip fruit, so you have to eat fruits, you cannot skip it, that you eat something else. Firstly, follow the routine, be very disciplined if you want to be healthy, because in yoga we are taught that yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, okay, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. So niyam, first is yam and second is niyam. So niyam is very important in order to have a healthy life. Now the second is, if you are overweight and you want to lose weight, you should have 50% of your diet with raw vegetables. Now how can you have raw vegetables? Like you include fruits, vegetables, vegetable smoothie or vegetable juice. You can have nuts in your diet. I love sattu, so I take sattu also in between. So raw things you have to take. Our body requires more calories to burn raw food, and raw food is good for you. Body is not confused while digesting raw food, because it's the most natural food. When you take raw food, body knows, the intelligence knows that yes, this I can identify this thing which you are going inside me, coming inside me, so I can digest it nicely. But when you give something, complex, complicated things in your body, so that time it is difficult. So you give rest to your body when you give raw food. So that is why I'm saying include 50% of your diet should consist of raw food. So secondly that. Then if you're having a weight issue, you can have 2 meals a day. So the first meal would only be fruits and vegetables, and the second 2 meals would be of your grains. Whatever you are having, normal diet, dal chawal roti sabji, dal chawal roti sabji. Either have dal, either have roti, or either have chawal. In the evening also you can follow this plan, and make sure that you have a good amount of protein in every food, because it keeps you full. When you have protein, it keeps you full for longer hours. So if you're vegetarian, you have having one bowl of dal, so take one bowl of curd also with that. You having one bowl of sabji, so take one bowl of salad also. So this, and try to finish your salad. Okay, when you start eating your lunch, first finish your salad. First, always finish raw food, and then start eating your all the cooked food. So that is the third thing. Then take small helpings. It really works. Like if you want to have something, just take it in a small plate, right? If you want to have kheer, just take it a small, just 2 spoons of 2-3 spoons of kheer. Don't take it in a big bowl. If you want to have cakes, just take the small piece of cake. If you want to have mithai, just take the small slight piece of mithai for the taste. So you can have that. And when you have a meal also, then also you can take small helpings. What happens when you take small helpings, you fill it, frequently. You don't fill it again and again. So that this is our habit, when we eat, when we take something, we take something in a large quantity, and then we finish it, and we don't realize that we are hungry or not. We just keep eating it. So when you will have small helpings, you'll know. After finishing it, you'll know, yes, am I full now? So should I stop? So this is the best way to lose weight. Now, this is the fifth one. This is the trick which I apply, and I'll share this trick with you. Ki whenever you want to have something junk, always to compensate, have something healthy before that. Like if I want to have Maggi, I take some fruit before that, or I put vegetables in that, so make it little bit more healthy. So this you can do. So whenever you want to eat something, you're ordering pizza from the market, have some fruits or have some nuts or have some vegetable juice. You can do so many healthy things. Whatever is in your home, you can eat that, so that you eat less of the junk food. That's a trick, and it works for me. It will work for you also. Then the sixth is, take some cumin tea, spice tea in between your meals. So this will keep you, full. Like I take cumin tea, methi tea, and ajwain tea in between my meals. After 30 to 40 minutes of my meal, I feel like now this has come in my routine, that after having meals or after having something sweet, I have a habit of eating sweet after lunch. So I prefer to have Indian sweet, or generally I eat very less, or I eat jaggery. Jaggery is my everyday sweet, so I just cannot skip jaggery after lunch. I have jaggery. So after having jaggery, or I don't have too much of weight issue, because I work out a lot. I'm a yoga teacher, so I don't have that weight issue. But I eat healthy. I still eat healthy, and after having jaggery, so I have this urge of having cumin tea, methi tea. So it's in my lifestyle now. So take that in between meals. You will not feel hungry, and you will not want to reach out for the something in between meals, some junk or something extra to eat. This is the sixth, and the seventh I've already discussed with you. That comes in discipline. That if you've made a routine that I will not eat any grains before workout, so you are only allowed to have grains after workout. So make sure that you are following that routine if you are in a weight loss regime, and even otherwise also in your daily routine also you can apply it to have a healthy body, not to lose weight too much, put on weight too much. Eighth thing is that what happens when we have more muscles, we tend to lose weight very easily. So you have to develop muscles in your body. Your muscles will burn more calories, require more calories for their functioning. So you lose weight very easily. So how can you work? You can develop muscles by just you can do simple things. You just can lifting hands up and down, sitting like this. You are burning calories. Okay, so you just don't sit still, at one place for longer duration of time. Even if you cannot sit, you're old, you can at least, stretch yourself. Okay, you can stretch left, right, okay, front, back. This much you can do. Anything, just move. The thing is, you have to keep moving your body. It is said, either move it, use it, or lose it. So whichever muscles you are not using, those muscles are, that means though you are losing those muscles. So you don't have to lose this muscle, you have to use the muscles. Every muscles you can, even when you are just sitting, you can just lift your legs up and down. This is also kind of a workout, simple workout, and slowly you build up. Just sit, stand up, stretch yourself, come down, then up, stretch. Only this much you do. That is also a workout. Okay, so develop muscles. Keep using your all your muscles to keep them in a good functions. And when you go and take bath, during bath time also you can use it as a workout. You are just rubbing your body from your foot, from your feet, from your toes till your head. So you are rubbing your body nicely, okay, during workout, during your bath. That is also kind of a workout. You lose, burn calories doing that. So do all these things. These are the very simple things, but you can apply in your day. And I have also applied, and I never say anything, from the book unless and until I have actually applied it in my life. So firstly, it is your entire lifestyle that's going to help you, not just one diet plan. Okay, when people come to me, give me diet plan, I just follow it. I give them diet plan, but I feel, it's what they say, you teach somebody, give a fish to a man and just feed him for a day, but teach him how to fish, feed him for entire life. So this is what I believe in. I believe in teaching my clients, give them nutritional counseling so they know what they have to eat, they are connected with themselves, and what they don't have to eat. So these things you have to apply in your diet, and you'll always be healthy. I can guarantee you. So I'm a yoga teacher, I'm a dietitian, and I'm always there to help you. I'm running also. This time I'm running online classes also. Morning I'm running Power Yoga for kids, for the teenagers. Evening I'm running class, beginner level yoga class online. I'm having one offline class also for us. So you can join me, whichever class suits you. And if you need my help, I'm always there for you. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Bye.